So for everyone who doesn't know me, my name is Mrs Cassie O'Brien. Mr Wright has asked me to talk about the chapel window project. A year or more ago, Mr Wright had an inspired idea to continue creating LED light windows in our chapel. For this particular project, 4 windows would be created, a way of celebrating our school and our houses that embody our values: community, courage, empowerment and excellence. LED lighting has a long history with churches and chapels, and it has been my honour working alongside a fantastic local LED light artist and a team of student designers to create 4 windows to represent the 4 houses and the 4 Bible verses that are associated with each house. Our incredible artist, Burgess, who is on screen just before, I think, yes, worked tirelessly for months to cut glass, grind the glass edges, shape the lead, recut, band-aid up any injuries, and carry on through the summer months to finish our FCAC house windows before she had to move. Yes, sadly, Jen is no longer a local, but we hope that that's temporary and that one day she'll move back. Jen states, when Cassie approached me to ask if I was interested in constructing the LED light windows for the FCAC chapel, I assumed that the panels would be of a traditional church nature. I keenly accepted, as I love working with glass, particularly windows, and seeing the glass colours come alive with design, construction and light. How lucky I was to be given such a wonderful and unique designs by FCAC to work with. To be part of creating such beautiful art that is timeless and tells the story of FCAC, its values, schoolhouse themes, it's been truly priceless. This has definitely been a highlight in my 25 years of LED lighting. Thank you for the opportunity, Jenny. A huge thank you goes out to those students, particularly house leaders and teachers, that worked to create the chapel window designs. Working with your ideas and aligning the windows with the Bible verses they belong to was a big job that I was happy to oversee. So let's have a look at the windows. I have a panel here as an example of the physical panel that will be fitted. I'm not sure who can see it. All 4 LED light windows have been photographed, and today we'll digitally show you an artist's impression of what they will look like on display when our glazier can fit them. It will be an exciting day later this year when the windows will be installed in our chapel for our 30th year. So let's take a look. Centauri. As each has received a gift, use it to serve one another. That's 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 10 to 11. Centauri and community. With the classic centaur who looks from the heavens down to his community, his eyes cast across the face of those who he serves. Community and the concept of using your gifts to serve one another is shown through colour. Community is represented by coloured iridescent glass, and the school community is represented with the colours of other houses. Andromeda and courage. Corinthians chapter 16, verse 13. Stand firm in the faith, be courageous, be strong. Standing for the good that is greater than ourselves is something that Andromeda strives to do. Courage. In the Bible, the lion is a powerful symbol of courage and strength, often used to represent God's power and the courage of his believers. Green, dark blue and maroon are shown to demonstrate Andromeda's links to the other houses. It is the most abstract of all the windows, and the further you stand from the lion, the clearer it becomes. Capella and empowerment. Arise, shine, for your light has come. Isaiah chapter 60, verse 1. The house that empowers all others with light and lights the way. Arise, shine, for your light has come is shown through the embodiment of light, lighting the way before others, being the light for others, being guided by our own inner Christ light and wisdom. we are invited to rise, shine, for our light has come. Orion and excellence. Let your light shine before others. Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. Light dominates this window as the dark blue Orion figure stands with light shining before them. Excellence and accuracy are represented with the arrow hitting the target and references Artemis the archer. The other houses are represented through colours, and the figure's light extends well beyond them. Lit by divine light, this Bible verse is a call to action from Jesus in Matthew, urging people to live in a way that their good deeds and actions are visible and glorify God. It has been my privilege to work on behalf of the houses and with our artist Jen Burgess. We are blessed with the attendance of her family members who have come to support her today in her absence. And I invite you to give Jen Burgess, our LED light artist for our 30th anniversary windows, a round of applause as a token of our gratitude. Thank you to Mr. Wright for the opportunity to be part of this project. I cannot wait to see the windows installed later this year. Thank you.